This video is a step-by-step tutorial to get smarter insights on your portfolio. Open your Investmates app to the home screen. At the bottom of the page, click on the Wealth icon. To start, click on Health to gain an understanding of your portfolio's health. Here you will be able to see an AI score for your profile, along with overall insights, score distribution insights, and your portfolio score over time. Finally, on the Health page, you will also be able to see areas that need attention. The second insight is your risk profile. To determine which category you belongs to, you can take the quiz by clicking on top right corner of the screen. The third insight is dividends. By clicking on dividends, you can find your total dividends earned as well as a categorization of upcoming dividends and historical dividends. The fourth insight is transactions. After clicking on transactions, you can find reports that include income versus expenses, expense categories. You can also find your recurring expenses, subscriptions and top merchants in the Transactions page under Reports tab. And next under Transactions tab you can find some filter options for date, transaction type, category and account type. From there you can be able to see the customized view of transactions. The fifth insight you can analyze is performance. Here, you can view your portfolio performance, portfolio return versus benchmark indices, top gainers and losers, and stocks or MF near 52 weeks that are low or high. The sixth and final insight is composition. Here, you can find your portfolio composition, which includes current asset allocation, invested versus current returns, as well as more details on profile composition. Thank you for watching the video.